Hello children, I am explaining you the chapter 8 working for living, and the next topic is our cottage industry in India. So today we will study about the cottage industry in India. So children, can you tell me what are the cottage industries in India? But before that, you study about the cottage industry. What are the cottage industry? So children, what is the cottage industry? So it is a small business. People are doing a small business in which people work in their own house. They don't have to go anywhere. Okay, they don't have to work in big industries and factories. Okay, they have to start a business at their home on a less money. Okay, whatever the facilities they have available at home. Okay, they have to make some money and are often using their own equipments. Okay, so they can start this cottage industry at their home. Now I want to explain that what are the cottage industries. Okay, what are the cottage industries? So which type of cottage industries are there? So the major cottage industries in India are cotton weaving, carpet making, silk weaving, leather industry, metal handicrafts, and small food processing industries. Okay, these are the cottage industries in India, and cotton weaving is a very important cottage business in India, children. Okay, so you see, this is a people are preparing the thread of the cotton from which clothes are prepared. Okay, and after that they are preparing a clothes which people are wearing, the cotton clothes. Okay, and after that many cotton clothes are prepared, children. Okay, and when these clothes are prepared, then people are stitching these clothes, and then the ready-made clothes are available. Okay, in the market, in the shop. From that thread, first they are preparing the cotton clothes, and from that how much need required people are taking and giving to stitch it, or the ready-made clothes are also prepared. So children, these are the very important cottage industries in India. Cotton weaving, it is the most important cottage industry in India, as cotton clothes are widely worn by the people. Okay, secondly, you can see here silk weaving is also very important in India. Okay, and India is a major producer and exporter of silk. Now third is your carpet making. So this also, the origin of the carpet making industry date back to the Mughal era. From that Mughal periods only. This is very famous. So you see children that how people are preparing the carpets very beautifully. You can see the designs and patterns of the carpets. Now women are also engaged making this. You are looking so beautifully embroidery they are making on the clothes. And the important cottage industries in India are, among that, the dyeing of clothes also, children. You are looking the thread people are dyeing. Okay, and after making it dry, they are preparing different colors of clothes. Okay, so they are dyeing the clothes as you are looking, and it is looking very beautiful also. Okay, children, and potters make the pots from earthen pots. Okay, they are preparing the diyas. Now right now the Deepavali festival is coming, so you will see that you are also buying these things. Okay, and they are preparing from the earthen pots, so they are preparing these things. This is also a cottage industry. It is also coming in the cottage industry, children. People are preparing these type of things at their home. You can see they are preparing the different types of toys also which you are buying, isn't it? They are preparing different type of pots on the potter's wheel, and people are also preparing the different types of carpets, and they are preparing from the cane the different type of cane they are looking like this basket. This is also looking very beautiful. Okay, so these are coming under the cottage industry. They are preparing at home at the low cost and they are selling it in the market and they are getting a good benefit on this. They don't have to invest lots of money on it. You see children, some more important cottage industries of India. It is also prepared from the cane. So children, can you tell me why these industries are very important in villages in India? So cottage industries are important because these provide employment to the people on a massive scale, on a large scale, and it provide employment to people living in rural areas and reduce their dependence on agriculture. When sometimes what happens that due to lack of rain and due to sometimes drought, what happens, their crops are becoming destroyed, so they are in loss always. Okay, so due to that, this reason, if they will start their own cottage industry, they have the extra income level. Okay, they can get the money children, so it increases their income levels and quality of life. So after this opting these cottage industries, people can increase their income levels also. So what are the importance of this small scale or cottage industry children? It is also are an important source of employment, as I explained you, and especially in rural areas, and for farmers operating a cottage, if they are operating a cottage industry out of the home, can supplement the income raised from selling crops. They can get extra money, and in winter when farming activities tend to abate, and a cottage industry can create extra income. So whenever they have the loss or not the season, then they can get the extra money from this. After cottage industry, they can get the extra money also. They can increase their income level. But children, apart from this, occupations in the cities and towns are not based on agriculture. Urban occupations provide services, different type of services children, and some of them run business or work in industries also. So many people work in offices, okay, and others sell things in shops, malls and markets, and some other people also. Urban occupations are those of different types of jobs children, like the engineers, doctors, soldiers, actors, singers, architects, reporters, pilots, bankers, lawyers and artists, etc. So here I want to explain that what are the main occupations in these urban area. Right now you understood that there are many types of occupations that the people living in urban areas in India, they do. The job type ranges from being a doctor, they can be engineer, they have the different works, okay, manual, scavenger, businessman, contractor and many other types of occupations. So children, in urban area we are not finding the agricultural jobs or agricultural activities. An urban area is the region surrounding a city, and most inhabitants of urban areas have non-agricultural jobs. Urban areas are very developed, means there is a density, you will find more population, structures such as houses, commercial buildings, roads, bridges, okay, and it can refers as a towns and cities, okay. Urban area can refers to towns and cities and suburban areas also. So the people, those who are living in urban areas, they can do the different types of jobs. So different type of occupations children, you can see here that this is also comes under the cottage industry children, that a cobbler makes and mends your shoes, okay. Farmers grows the crops, okay, that is not under the cottage industry, but the different type of occupations these are. And the doctors and nurses look after the patients in the primary health centers, in the service in the cities, okay, in the urban areas children. And the teacher, what the teacher what is the work of the teacher, children? She teaches to the young ones. Okay, young children. The teacher educates young children. And a basket maker, what he does? A basket maker weaves baskets from cane or stripes of bamboo. Then you can see a potter makes earthen pots and weaves vessels from the wet and mud and clay. Okay, washerman washes your clothes. Like that, blacksmith also makes the things from iron, made from iron, and a tailor stitches clothes, isn't it? And the weaver weaves the clothes of different kinds. A weaver weaves cotton into clothes. And carpenter makes useful things from wood. So now you must understood what are the works of the people, those who are living in urban areas, in cities and towns. A teacher teaches in the school to young ones, educates to the young ones, children. Okay, and the reporters gives the news. Okay, as you are looking and watching on TV also. And they are the soldiers and engineers. What they do, they designs the flyovers, okay, roads and other things. They design cars, many things they do. She is a lawyer, okay, in a court. And she is a doctor. As you know, doctor, what a doctor work is there? She is making cure his patient, okay, taking care and giving medicines. Okay, so children, these are some occupations, the people, those who are opting in urban areas. Like the teachers, she is teaching you, okay, educates the children. Then you are looking as the reporters gives you news, collecting the news and giving you. Soldiers protect our borders. And engineers, they are making flyover designs, cars, etc. And lawyers, what they do? They gives you help to justice. Okay, they are finding the real victims, who is the criminals, and they are finding about the whole, studying the whole case study. Now she is doctor. You know very well what is the work of doctor. So now I am going to explain some exercises, children. Doctors gives you and examines you and gives you medicines whenever you are falling sick. So now children, you will complete these exercises. Okay, match the following. Okay, this one. So complete what is the equipments of doctor. You are looking here, potter, what he use. Okay, he uses what the potter, what making, or okay, teacher what she does, what she is using, and barber what is using. Okay, so the things you have to match. So please complete this one and exercise A of activity corner and B in your book. Okay, doctor, you are looking at stethoscope he is using. Okay, potter makes the earthen pots. Teacher uses blackboards. Farmers, they are plowing fields through the tractors. They are using the tractors to plow the field, isn't it? Barber using what? Barber is using for shaving this thing. Okay, for he's cutting the hairs and shaving, okay, beards. And florist, what he is selling or buying? Florist, he is selling the flowers. Okay, so you will complete this in your book, and next things I will explain you in next chapter, children. Thank you.